What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE B, and I am back with another video.
Diamonds, I could put you in that Birkin. See you on the gram, but you look better in person. Working, twerking, throw it and reverse it. Tell me if you nervous, moving like you certain. Curving, swerving, skirting like I'm swerving. Earn it, shorty, you deserve it.
So as you guys can see by the title, I'm about to mess up my brows. Yeah, I'm about to mess up my brows, OD. Don't look at my hair, y'all. This is getting done today, right after this video. I was supposed to do it yesterday, but things happen in life. But I'm about to do my brows at home, y'all, because like everything is closed, and y'all know how that go. Like we just ain't nothing to do. So it's either we gonna look rough or we gonna learn some new things. I tried to wax my brows before, when I was in high school, and I did that little sugar and honey trick on the stove. And if you see, like, one of my brows are like really messed up. Let me see which one it is. I think it's this one. This brow right here is messed up, like it's a dent. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I don't know how they always finesse it, but I had burnt myself. It was too hot. I didn't know what I was doing. I think I used a spoon to apply it. I don't know. I was in high school. I think I was like in 10th grade or 11th grade. That was the biggest mistake I ever did. I had a big burn scab there. Listen. And then after, I went in with the what you call that, the shaver, that razor thing that girls use to cut the lace now. Yeah, I went in after my skin was burned, so like all my skin was coming up. So embarrassing. I've been waxing my legs and stuff. I've been waxing for a while, so waxing honestly doesn't hurt me. I have a high pain tolerance. Threading doesn't hurt either, but I feel like I like waxing over threading, because with waxing, you know, if you wax anywhere in your body, it takes forever to grow back. Well, not forever, but it kind of does take forever, and then the hair grows back thinner. So yeah, I love waxing. The company reached out to me mad long ago. They didn't ask for a YouTube video, nothing, so I never made a review on it because they didn't ask for that. They just wanted me to review the product for them and write a review. I only have the pink beads left. I already used all the green and the yellow beads because, like I said, I had this for a few months now. Waxing my brows is going to be hard because, like I said, I tried to do it before and it didn't really work out too well. But we're going to try again today. So this is how my brows look before. No, they don't really look bad, but they look bad. They look bad to me. They look bad to me. I want them to be shaped up nice. Y'all can get this off of Amazon. I don't know the name of stuff. I truly don't care to say it because this is not a review. I'm going to put my mirror. I don't know if this is smart. I'm going to put the mirror. Let me take this thing off the back. And I'm just going to lay my mirror on this. I hope it doesn't move. Just so you guys can see what I'm doing or whatever. Let me get my spoolie. Yeah, y'all, I used to have thick eyebrows until I went to one. You know, you're never supposed to cheat on your lady, y'all. You're never supposed to cheat on your nail tech, your eyebrow person. You're never supposed to cheat on her. And I cheated on mine, and they made my eyebrows super thin, and I hated it. I used to have thick, nice eyebrows. So I'm going to be using the same product I use on my hair. This will be down below. I'm going to also use it on my, eyebrows when I'm done. So I'm going to take a rubber band. What am I talking about? I'm going to take a paper towel, just make sure like it's dry around there. Another thing, they use the skinnier popsicle sticks, right? I don't have that, so we're going to have to improvise and cut this joint in half. But is that a smart idea though? I feel like it's a smart idea. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this in half. Hopefully it cuts. Oh, it do cut. Oh, easy. Okay. Guess I gotta go from this end. I don't want to get no splinters or nothing. But y'all know I always cut myself. We go zoom in first. My brows. Yeah. Alright, y'all don't need to get too close. Y'all good enough. Right here. Oh, back up. Okay. I don't need y'all to see nothing. Okay, so this is how my brows look before. You guys see that? Like, yeah, it looks kind of off. I'm scared because I don't know what they be doing. My eyes be closed. I'm gonna, I guess, follow my brow shape. But yeah, don't look at my lace, y'all. It looks bad. Okay, so like I said, I always wait for the wax to get thick. So I feel like the wax is thick enough to me. No, it's really not. I gotta turn it down. It's too watery right now. Like, this is watery, y'all. I don't like when it looks so watery like that. I like when it's thicker, but we're gonna use this anyway. So what my wax technician does, is it wax technician? I don't know, but what my wax lady do, she always like twirl it, or whatever, so it can get hot. So I want to know if it's hot, like if it's cooled down. I feel like it should be cooled down. So I'm gonna go ahead and just okay, and just follow my brow. I'm nowhere near my brows, y'all. I'm gonna turn it over. Okay, and go down. Okay, I feel like I got close enough. Woo! Girl, was I sweating. You always want to wait for your wax to dry before you lift it up, and you always go in the opposite direction the hair grows. But we're not going to take that top off yet. We're going to go ahead and put the bottom strip on, and then we're going to take the top off and then come back to the bottom strip. Makes sense. I'm going to twirl it. I'm going to keep twirling and blowing. Now the bottom now is gonna be a little hard. Why is my edges in the way? The bottom now gonna be a little hard. Oh, see? It was falling off. Good thing it wasn't hot. But, okay. Let me do the bottom. How they do the bottom? Do they pull our eye down? I think they go like this, right? I don't know, but we gonna do it today. Okay, the bottom, I'm nowhere close. Okay, I'm gonna have to do the bottom over. I was nowhere close, right? Yeah, I was nowhere close. And this was a smart idea to cut it in half, because I would have been struggling with them big popsicle sticks. We're gonna pull the top off. Okay. Like I said, waxing don't hurt me, so I can honestly just put it off with no problem. Ooh, it kind of shaped it up, right? It shaped it up. Did it? Yeah, look, I see hair on this. The top we did a little good, but we gonna go in again and do it because I want that like good arch. So we gonna go in again. I could go in with the tweezers and get that like they do, but I'd rather not. I think they hold it like this. No, they don't hold it like that. Do they hold it like that? I don't think so. No, they just put it on your brows. They don't hold it like that. There we go. I think I got close enough this time. Oh. Why is somebody calling me right now while I'm trying to wax my brows? Alright, so I feel like that top went on good. I'm getting better and better, y'all. Who wants their eyebrows waxed? Come to me. Located nowhere. My brows better come out good. Like, I don't got time for this. I think this brow is thicker than this brow. Alright. Oh, I think I did it too skinny. I think I got it on the hairs. Look at me. That's good. I feel like that's gonna finesse my brows. That's gonna finesse my brows. It better, because I ain't playing. So now let's go and do the bottom again. You know what I really want to wax, y'all? My nose. Like inside my nose, but I'm so scared. I don't have time for that, because they be like, I'm not pulling it out. It's gonna have to stay, because I ain't pulling it out. Ooh, I'm finessing this, y'all. My brow's about to look on fleek like my girl Nancy did it. I feel like the other side I'm gonna have trouble with, of course. I know I am. Okay, so that should be good, just like so. Let's go put it on the other brow now. Well, I love, this is my favorite brow. Even though it's messed up, even though this brow is messed up, they always finesse it to look so good, and I feel like I can't finesse it like them. So I don't know how they're about to do this. I know I'm gonna do the top first, of course. Ooh, this brow looking fleeky already. Fleeky already. Okay. Okay, I don't know where the wax just went, but yeah, it just went in a whole different direction. But that's okay, because we gonna fix that up with some more wax the second go around. I look crazy, but we gonna look good in the end. We gonna look good in the end. Quarantine edition, hello. Now let's do the bottom. This side is hard. This side is so hard. Should I go this way? Now let me go this way. This side is so hard. Okay, so now let's take this side off. This is really dry. Like, this over here is really dry. And just start pulling. You just wanna bing. Oh, oh, y'all, I feel leaked. Oh, I pulled out my edges. I pulled out my edges with it, y'all. I want y'all to see all this hair that came. Y'all. Who are we? Who is... Nah, y'all, look at all this hair that came out on this. Like, I don't know if y'all can see the hair. Y'all could a little bit. Like, okay, if I hold it like that, y'all can see it. Look at all that hair that came out. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I love this. Oh, yeah. Look at that brow. Now, y'all can't tell me I just flick my brow. I feel like, honestly, I work with them. Yo, I just flicked my brows, y'all. Look at that. Who's telling me what, though? So now let's do this side. See how this side came out. I know this side ain't really come out good. We're gonna have to, I did it twice on this brow, right? Yeah, so we're gonna have to do a second go around. Ooh, it's pulling up here, though, so hold on. Whew. That, dang, I had mad hair at the end. Wow, this is amazing. Yeah, y'all need to go ahead and buy y'all wax kit off of Amazon. I ain't pay for it, but it wasn't expensive. It was like only $27. I think it was like 25. The bottom did good. Ooh, the bottom is good. Yeah, the bottom fleeked. The bottom is fleeked, y'all. The bottom is fleeked. See how this is more skinnier? Y'all see that, right? Am I bugging? I know it wasn't bugging. So we're gonna have to go again on this top and make this and a little skinnier to match with this. Even though your brows are not sisters, they're cousins, but we ain't about to look like this outside. So other than that, your girl's looking good already. It's just uneven. Go a little closer, just like this. Okay, we're gonna thin this out right here. Boom, just like that. Thin that out just like that. Once these little strings will stop coming. Let me just do what I do. Don't worry, y'all, if it's too thin. Quarantine, ain't nobody gonna see me. Why I can never get close to the brow? I think I'm scared to get close to the brow. But that's good enough right here. Okay. 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 Let me pull it off on the top. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. I just think this brow is just thicker overall than this one because... Oh, I'm bugging. I was pulling from the wrong way. 2, 3. Alright, it thinned out. It thinned out. Ooh. Ooh. But I think I took the tail off. But ooh, y'all, I'm jacking it. That dip there, I finessed that. That's not there no more. Y'all remember that dip that was there? My brows are good. The tail is gone though. The tail is gone, but it's okay. We can make that come back with makeup. I don't care. I love them. Even though this is a little thinner than this, I love them. Now let's do the middle. You know, we're gonna get the unibrow part. Okay, this part I can't mess up. I ain't gonna go too far. Okay, because one time the lady had my eyebrows like this. Like, it was too far apart. So we just gonna get the middle, right in the middle. I don't know why my camera just disrespecting me like that and turned off. But we done anyway. So let me hurry up. It's probably overheating now. We done. So I don't know which way the hair goes on this way. So I'm just go up. And just pull it. I don't really have hairs in the middle, but it's just to clean it up. Oh, some hairs came up. This is my brows now compared to before, and I feel like I did a good job. So now last for the oil, I'm just gonna pour a little bit on a paper towel, because I know I see people be putting this on their eyelashes too, right? Y'all put this on your eyelashes, so I think this should be good for my face. I'm gonna just rub it. You're supposed to have oil anyway after a wax. Like, I usually ask them for alcohol though, because my skin usually break out. But we gonna get these brows back to being thick. I really didn't need it on this one, but y'all, this oil will be down below. This is what I use on my hair too, y'all. Oh, check me out. Check me out. I'm jacking this. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, I said you can find this wax kit on Amazon. You can honestly buy anyone. Leave down below on what, I'm sorry, I'm feeling myself because my brows are done. Leave down below what videos you guys want to see. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. On the road to 50K, man. We need 4,000 more. Just the other day we was at 44K. Now we have 46K. So 4,000 more. We going, y'all, we going up there quick. We honestly moving quick. We moving quick, and I really appreciate that. But I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Twerking, throw it and reverse it. Tell me if you nervous, moving like you certain, curving, swerving.